Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a new habit in the HabitNow application. So let us begin. Alright, let me just launch the HabitNow app on my Android. And what you want to do is tap into this button here to create a new entry, this plus button. So you can create either a new habit or a task, like a single task, and also a recurring task. So for this method, I will tap into habit here, which means an activity that you may repeat, for example, on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. So select a category for your habit. Let me go with sports. And after that, customize your habit. For example, how you would like to track and evaluate your progress with simple yes or no questions. For example, to confirm that you have completed or followed the given habit for the given day or not, or with a numeric value or with a timer. I will go with a simple yes or no checklist. Tap into it, and after that give your habit a name. Like if it's about sports, let me go for example with something like go to the gym, and that's it. After that you may describe it here in that field below. I'm going to skip this and tap into next here. And in the last step, guys, schedule your habit, like for example every day, specific days of the week or specific days of the month, and so on and so forth. So let me go with specific days of the week, let's say Tuesday and Thursday. And after that tap into next here. To create your habit, you may set a start date here, an end date. Now I will leave the end date disabled because I would like to follow that habit without any end date. You may set a priority, a reminder. And once you're content with your setup, tap into save here at the bottom to create your habit. And now, once the habit has been created, you will be redirected to your home feed so that you may, for instance, navigate to habits here at the bottom. And there you go, simply track your habits here listed above, and also check the given day on the calendar to either label the given habit as complete or not. And that's how it works, guys. That's it, and see you soon.